The United Democratic Alliance Party has called for a social meeting of its governing council. The session is scheduled for Monday, January 26, 2026. The ODM is currently the main opposition party under the leadership of Siaya Senator Oburu Oginga, and a coalition between UDA and ODM would represent a major political shift in the country. All elected leaders from the ODA party are expected to attend. This includes members of parliament, senators, governors, and members of county assemblies. Their collective input will be crucial in the decision-making process. The UDA party will hold a special governing council meeting on Monday, chaired by President William Ruto at State House. All UDA senators, MCAs, MPs, and governors are expected to attend the meeting. Political analysts suggest this move could reshape the national political landscape. A coalition could create a formidable political bloc with significant parliamentary majority. This would likely ease the legislative process for the government. The announcement follows a period of sustained political dialogue between the two parties. Both sides have recently indicated a willingness to collaborate on national issues. This meeting will formalize internal discussion within the ruling party before any public agreement. Meanwhile, let us wait and see what happens next. Remember to follow, share, and leave your opinion in the comment section below to stay updated on our news. Thank you for reading Siete Media.